Hey, Homestead Prepper. This video is about doing a little preventive maintenance, I guess, on my truck. I just hit over 100,000 miles. I guess I can, afford to buy a new one, and I can afford to take it in and have the maintenance done. But if you can do it yourself, why? And if you can do it yourself and you can save the money and you can put it towards other things or preps, then I think you're a lot better off. Let me turn this off. And I've had a problem before with this thing where it didn't want to start, and there's a relay that goes bad on these type of vehicles. This was the relay that went bad before. I think it cost a whole whopping $7 and something. It'll focus on that or not. But if you're into prepping, what you do is you just buy extra. So I'm getting to the point now, the vehicle, every now and then you turn the key, it doesn't want to start, and it's usually this relay right here. Now, if you're in a jam and you don't have an extra relay, what you can do is you can take this relay, this is for the fog lamps over here, and you can put that right there, and it should start and get you home. I don't recommend just leaving it in there because this is, I don't know if it's got a bleeder coil or it's got something extra in it, but anyway, like I said, you can swap this one, put this one over here, and it should get you home. And I have heard of people changing out the starter on these type of vehicles, which the only thing I don't like about the vehicle is the starter is up there and it's a real pain to get to. You change out the starter and it still doesn't work, and it's because this right here is bad. Now you can change out the whole assembly, but I'm trying to be conservative here and save a little money. We're just gonna change out that relay. So and the cover comes off, it just snaps off. It's real easy. I reach in here, my pliers, and it just pulls out like that. Now you don't want to confuse them, so a little dab of white paint, we just want to make sure it's the same. CW29E, and this one CW29E, and we will put that one back in there. Okay, make sure we don't drop it down in there. Just put it right like that. I'm not going to push it with the pliers, I'll push it with my thumb. And we'll see if it'll start. Put the key in here. Okay, well, sometimes it's the whole module that goes bad. You got to replace this whole thing right here. I mean, you could take it to the dealer, or you could, do it yourself. But for now, I'm just gonna try that module. So this is like I said, the original one. I hung on to it. This was the spare, so I'm gonna probably go up and buy another spare just for the heck of it. But like I said, as a backup, you can always use that one and put that over there. So, all right, I hope that helps somebody out. Homestead Prepper out. Okay, I forgot to put the covers on, and the cover only goes on one way. If you see how that has that bevel on there, and it just kind of just fits up in there. It'll always be more difficult with one hand. Oh, I don't believe it's going to go right on. And it just press down and it'll snap right on there. And then I took this off just so it wouldn't be in the way, and that just snaps right on. Okay, well, we're good to go. It's a done deal.